Oh, I just need some help from someone. I mean, who am I going to call?
Welcome to Silverpunk. As some of you may be aware from that little opening snippet, a few weeks back, I was trying to pull my own channel round and I just couldn't do it. So I had to ask someone's help and I asked for Louis Silver. And a few weeks have passed now and oh my word, the results are in. They've done some fabulous work and I'm so pleased to say that I've got my channel round. At last I've got a channel round. So let's have a quick look and then we'll get straight into the unboxing and we can unveil Silverpunk Poker Chip channel round.